Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today is part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any personal discount codes, they will be right in here and in the description box below. So let's get started. The first one is a Joy Sunday, 14 count. And this is a 21 by 30. It was $4.77. I'm going to move this other one out of the freeway here for a second. And let's get this one out of its bag. So, not very much. Under $5. I like those kind of kits. Alright. And it does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. And, you know, how to start, how to finish. Nice, durable bag. I love those bags. And let's take a look. Isn't it cute? It's so tiny. It's a little sleeping mouse. I just thought it was sweet. She got some lilies of the valley there. I bet that smells good being that close to them lilies of the valley. We used to have those on the side of our house when I was a little kid, and I loved the smell of them. They were just very awesome. So like I said, 14 count, 21 by 30. Let's see here. It has 2 sets of symbols. The top symbols go to the paper pattern and the bottom goes to the canvas. We have a total of 27 colors. We have full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. And these all match the canvas. So that's nice and easy to see, especially on the smaller ones. So let's see what colors we have. Not seeing any 310. We have 3799, which is that pewter color. So what else do we have? Anything else that I know? Nope. And B5200 for the white. So yay. Doesn't sound too complicated, and there'll be a little bit of back stitching. They're going to use that pewter color for the this major back stitching. It is 92 by 123, and everything is on one page. Very, very easy to see. Very nice. And the back stitching looks pretty straightforward, if you will. It just goes around things and outlining at things. Got a little spiky things for his ears, but nothing too difficult. Very nice. And the background here on the bottom is half cross stitch, and the shadowing on the sides is half cross stitch. Rest of it is full cross. No French knots. Nope, no French knots, just full stitch, half stitch, and back stitch. So very nice. Like I said, it's postage stamp size compared to the other things that I've done. Beautiful colors. There's that gray that I was telling you about, or pewter. Beautiful oranges, greens, a little bit of blues over here. You got some pinks, but just a sweet little easy type picture. Very, very nice. I love that blue. Isn't that beautiful? It's almost peacock blue. Oh, it does come with 2 needles, so that's helpful. Let's take a look at this canvas. It's very nice, very soft. It does have the numbers that were on the front of the pattern and the name. And you have your symbols here. I can, for the most part, read them. I mean, the numbers and the bottom DMC gets a little squished together. So I'm glad that they have that on the paper pattern too. Because that, when it gets real teeny tiny, it's a little hard to see. So very nice. Let's measure this. What was it? 21, what did I say? 21 by 30. So, okay. It is 29, almost 29 and a half, or 11.5 inches by 21 centimeters, or almost 8.5 inches. Actual picture size is a little over 6.5 inches, or almost 17 centimeters by, about 21.5 or centimeters, or 8 3/4 inches. So not too big, but it's a partial. You don't have to do the background. They do not provide the thread for background. So the back stitching is going to make all this, but it looks pretty straightforward to me. But this orange coming down here and that turquoise, that's all half cross stitch. So pretty straightforward, not a lot of confetti or anything. I think it'll be cute. I think it's precious. I like this one, and I like that one I got. I don't know who I got it from. Don't ask, please. Of the mouse in the top of the flowers with the watering can type thing. So, and it was about that same size, so good job. Good job. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, for some reason it did not have a name, so I have no idea who made this. It's not a Yishu or Mona Lisa. I have no idea. It just didn't say. But it's this beautiful iridescent hummingbird. Hummingbird. I could just talk. Look at all the blues, the turquoises, the purples. Ugh. It is a 40 by 40, and it was $10.75. Let me open up the paper. And it's a nice big paper. It does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. Very nice and big. It has 35 colors. And it doesn't have too much confetti. Just kind of sprinkled here and there. Otherwise, it's like rivers of color. We have 154 mulberry, 310 black, 550 purple, 823, and 939. Those are your two dark navies. No 3371. And I don't know what they're using for a white, because we have no 3865 or B5200. So maybe there's just nominal white-ish color. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see. It's a 14 count. I love 40 by 40. 40 by 40, 40 by 50 is kind of my comfort zone some days. It's just easy to handle. Now it does come with a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Now we're going to turn this over and take this and take this. Product number is 4945, 4945, and 4945. So that all matches. Put this back up here, this over here, and let me get these out of the bag. All right, I am back. Look at those stunning, stunning colors. You got blue violet, kind of a darker blue, pink, rose, golds, oranges, yellows. Look at that peacock purple, or purplish blue. Oh my goodness. And that turquoise. I think that's 996. Let me look. Can't handle it. I gotta go look. Oh, well, I lied. It's 807. Okay. So I got a new one to add to my repertoire. Whoops. I got that upside down. Everybody's like losing themselves. Hang on. Give it another shake. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Red, reddish, like a brick reds. Beautiful. 550 purple. Just gorgeous. Look at those blues, and it's just gonna all just jam together so well. So beautiful. Just gorgeous. I can't get over that turquoise. Oh, I'm drooling again. Let me put this in the bag. There'll be a crinkle for a second. All right, I like to get it back in the bag where it came from, and so I know it matches this set. This canvas is serged all the way around. Serging goes a little bit in the numbers, but nothing so you cannot read the numbers. Paper pattern is going to match the canvas for symbols. Very nice. But like I said, see, just kind of sprinkled within all the is a little bit of confetti. But you have your big areas too, and then you have bigger areas. Very nice. Let's measure this. It is 147 by 147 stitches. It is 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches by, a little over 39.5 centimeters and a little over 15.5 inches. Actual picture size is 33.5 centimeters or 13.25 inches by 13.25 and a little over 33.5 centimeters. So very nice size. It's perfect for summer. So yeah, and the price is not too terribly bad for $10.75. It's a lot of thread, and it is full coverage. Very nice, very nice. All right, and nice smooth canvas. It's a little thick, if you will, but we'll see how it crunches up, because we're going to have to start this one today. Oh yeah, I'm trying to get everybody just to balance on my pile of stuff over there. Thank you, VIP, for these beautiful kits this week and last week. They're all just stunning and magnificent. I love them all. Now, VIP Cross Stitch does not have paint by number or diamond painting. They have cross stitch. They have beaded cross stitch. They have embroidery and lots of tools and crafts and choices for you in their store. It's just huge. And they have, if you sign up for their, subscribe to their email, you know what I mean, you'll get a thing every week or twice a week maybe of when all the new stuff comes in. So they've always got new stuff coming and going. It's just lovely, and the prices are awesome too. Thank you, VIP, once again. Appreciate you all. Love it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.